Rapid Planning Method. So, ito ay acronym, yung Rapid Planning Method. So, results-oriented, purpose-driven, at saka massive action plan. So, yung results-oriented, what? Ano siya? Purpose-driven, why? And yung massive action plan is how. So, yung tatlong basic questions na yun, pag nasagot mo, hindi lang productivity mo mag-i-increase, pati buhay mo. And yung massive action plan, pwede mong hatiin yun. Pwede mong hatiin yun, i-divide yun, i-segment mo into steps hanggang sa marating mo yung goal mo. So, yan ito ay na-invento o na-discover ni Tony Robbins, isang business strategies na applicable din sa buhay. So, Rapid Plan Method. Acronym siya for results-oriented, purpose-driven, and massive action plan. So, yun lang po.